Hey guys, we're back with my second typewriter unboxing video. I'm going to try to make this a lot faster than the first one, so without further ado, love this Kershaw. It up nice. This is a Goodwill auction that I won about 2 weeks ago, and it's now here. I will give bonus points to Goodwill for using bubble wrap to package it. A lot of people do not know how to safely ship a typewriter. Big leather case. And the invoice. Yep. Thank you for your purchase. All the way from Versailles, Pennsylvania. I'm gonna hold this up instead of moving the camera. As you can see, it came with the original key, one of the reasons why I decided to bid on it. Don't find a lot of machines with the original key. There's the receipt. I'll worry about that later. For now, get the key off of here and open this up. Ah, no need to, it's already unlocked. Ah, wonderful. Wonderful, wonderful. Came with a ribbon spool. Right. This is my new 1960s Aztec 15 typewriter, which was made by the Erica company out of Germany. And what is this here on the... Oh, very neat. It comes with this oh wow, this is neat. So, I'm not going to spend a lot more time on the video going over the details, but if you head over to my blog, Guts of Imagination, at blogspot.com, I will take pictures of all these wonderful features and do a full take on it there. Thanks for watching.